Okay, hello again. This is Dr. Holly. I'm going to, as promised, do another video to show you a few things. So let me share screen. We're going to go back to the class, and I'm going to show you a couple of things. Now be sure you read all these documents thoroughly. Your very first unit is about these documents. Your first quiz is about these documents. You don't need the textbook to take the first quiz. You've got to have that textbook and have chapter 1 read before the second week though. So the first week is about the documents, and the syllabus is not there because I have this in student preview mode this time, so you can see what it looks like to you and not me. And again, it's not up yet, but it will be. What I wanted to tell you is everything in this class is done in units. So I wanted to take you into the units. I'm going to click on Skills Units. Here we have your first unit, and this is what it will look like to you. Each unit will start with, here's a review of what you're going to do this week, a summary. For this week, you will do these many assignments, take this quiz, turn this in, it's all here. Due dates are here. They're also in your schedule. We'll go look at the schedule in a moment. Next is classmate introduction, and you can see upload assignment, word assignment here in purple. Will be there whenever there's assignment. So this is a 10-point assignment with a rubric. Go ahead and look at your rubric so you know how I'm grading it. This will be very important when it comes to speeches, because instead of just using feedback, I write under each section that I select comments. So to see all your comments, you'll always have to go back and open your rubrics. The assignments will have all the directions you need. It says click here on this picture, click on the picture. It's our corkboard. You will post a picture. You will write something about yourself. Once you've done that, and it explains what to write, it says you must now go to the box below, type in the word completed, and hit submit. If you do not do that, it does not roll into my grade book to be graded, and you do not get your points. You get a 0. Always read the entire set of directions and follow through. You have to turn something in through Blackboard every time for it to go into the to be graded file in Blackboard for me. Okay? So really be sure you read all your directions. Due dates are also written there, even though they're also in your schedule. Here's your quiz next, same thing. I write the due dates. I tell you about the quiz. They have to be done in one setting. You can't stop and go back. They are timed, what they're over. All the information on your quizzes is there. And then your reading assignments are also at the very end of each unit, and they will give you hints. For example, here I tell you, you can skip dispensing some communication myths. So I will let you know we will or won't be covering certain things. And sometimes it says read the entire chapter, but often it will give you something of that nature. Okay? So that's a little bit about the units. Everything goes in the units. If you cannot find a quiz, it's in that unit. Go look in your unit. If you can't find a reading assignment, it's in the unit. If you can't find anything, go look in the units. Everything, every week goes in those units. Okay? The single exception is speech rounds, which I'll discuss in the next video. And when it comes time for exams, I'll have under units, there'll be another subheading that says exams, and there'll be a midterm exam link. And you open it, and it will have the review for the midterm, and then the link to the exam, and then the finals the same way. Everything else is in the unit, so check the unit. Okay? All right, I'm going to stop share, and I will do another little video over your schedule and the speech rounds. So I'll see you in just a few.